Welcome to Fort Rucker, Alabama. Starting today, you will learn to operate the U.S. Army's most advanced weapons platform, the RAH-66 Comanche Scout Light Attack Helicopter. Let's get started. The torque indicator displays the power output of the engines.
Here is down.